If you're looking for a really cool dual beam light, you might want to check out this PL X from Olight. This thing is 1200 lumens. It's super bright. It has 2 different modes, and I'm going to get ready to unbox it real quick, and then we'll check it out. All right, so here's everything that comes in the box. It comes with the, the light itself, the dual beam light, and I will go over all the features of that and how it works. But it also comes with a little toolkit, an extra rail adapter, and a spare screw. And then it comes with a USB A to C charger, so you can charge it. So that's all that comes in the box. Now let's go over the features of the light. Okay, so here is what it looks like fully installed. This thing has never been loaded. It's never had anything in it. It's fresh out of the box and was only taken out of the box just for the sake of showing you what this looks like on it. But as you see, it fits really well. It, it screws right on. You tighten it up, and here's your spotlight up top, floodlight on the bottom, and it's going to work just the same as it did like I showed you before. You're just going to tap it once to turn it on. Double tap for high and low mode. You can switch between floodlight, spotlight. Tap it one time to turn it off, or you can just tap it 3 times to turn on the strobe. Turn it on and off, and as you see, this thing fits really well on here. The dual beam is a nice feature, and I think it could be very useful for home safety. So, and now that I showed you how it works, I'm gonna turn off the lights, and we'll see what it looks like in the dark and check out the spotlight and the floodlight. So give me a second, and we'll go check it out. All right, now that we are in the dark, we're going to check out the spotlight, and we're just going to tap it once, and that's the spotlight on low mode. So, you're going to have no problem seeing around, but if you really want to blind somebody, you double tap it. And I know the camera doesn't do it justice, but this thing is bright. So that is the spotlight mode. So I'm going to turn it off, and then we'll put it in the floodlight mode. And this is the floodlight mode on super bright. This is going to be good for if you need to walk around and you're just looking. You're going to have no problem seeing around. This is on high, and then this is on low. So even on low, it's really bright. You're going to have no problem looking around, finding anything you need to see in the dark with this attached. So, but if somebody comes into your house and you want to really quickly, this is the strobe mode, and this thing is ridiculously bright. It's everything going off all at once, so you're gonna have no problem blinding the heck out of somebody with that. So that is everything you get right here in the box for $119.99, and honestly, I think Olight did a fantastic job with this PLX. It's it's built really tough, it's reliable, and when it comes to a home defense setup, you want something that you can trust to work every single time without a second thought. And for the price, you're getting serious performance that doesn't break your bank too much, and Olight makes fantastic stuff. So, if you're looking to upgrade your setup or you're just starting out, I think this is a pretty good option for you. And, just let me know in the comments section if you're already running one of these, or, hit the like button if this helped you out. And, I will see you guys in the next one.